Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is an empties video. I haven't done one of these in quite a while, and I've got a lot of trash that I need to get rid of. So I am wanting to get this thing done. So I love these kind of videos because it's such a good way of knowing what someone really liked. Empties means they use the thing all the way through, and so they have a very good indication if that is a product that they really liked. So I do have mostly face, beauty, body stuff. I have, I think, a random one or two home in here, but it's mostly beauty. So let's get into it. I'll get started with this. This is the Neutrogena body oil. This thing is disgusting. It is the light sesame formula. I love this. It smells amazing. It's funny because I saw this sold in like Marshall's, I've seen it at Nordstrom Rack for years, and I really did not pay attention to it. I just didn't until one day I decided to buy it, and my daughter and I have used this. This is, it took a while to get through this because you don't use a ton, but I use this as soon as I get out of the shower. Before I dry off, I use this all over, not my face, but all over my body. And then I just pat dry with my towel. I use a different towel besides my hair, one to my body so I don't get it in my hair. And then I am amazed at how undry, or that sounds so stupid, how my skin is not dry for the rest of the day until I take a shower again. It amazes me, and it's fast. I don't have to, you know, get all get dry and then later on put lotion on, and I don't feel gross all day. Love, love, love. I've already repurchased. It's in my bathroom, and yes, love. CeraVe, this is their facial moisturizing lotion. This is the PM one. I love this. Oh, the sun just came out. Oh my goodness, let us adjust. So this is one of my favorites. I really do love, I love almost all CeraVe or CeraVe facial products. I think they're great. So I have, this is empty. Obviously it's an empties video. I have already purchased it. I've already started using it. So love this. You guys know I did a video on a company called Brandless, and it is a company that every product on their website is $3, everything. And so I will link that right here, my video that I did on them. But one of the things I had purchased was their shave gel. And I liked this. You know, in that video, there's a lot of things. There was a couple things I loved. Yes. This is one of the things that it was okay. It was not like, I would not order again on their website just to get this. There's a lot of shave gels out there. This was okay. Along the same lines, I will keep on that same video. This was their dish soap. This is the one, I think that is one random household's good thing, but this is their dish soap. This did the job. I mean, it was fine. The thing that was so hard was this is so hard that when you turned it upside down, I don't think there's anything in it yet. When I turned it upside down, I hardly could squeeze it to get the stuff out. So it was ridiculous. If I ordered from that company again, I would definitely not order this. This was that drove me insane. So I couldn't wait for it to be done. This is something I have repurchased already, and I've done it a couple times. This I get at Marshall's. I think maybe Nordstrom Rack would have it. I don't know, but I've seen it mostly at Marshall's. This is the Nature Love Aroma Therapy Body Wash, Lavender and Coconut Oil. So this is just a body wash. I really do enjoy this. This does not dry out my skin. I can use it, you know, with a loofah or something like that, or just exfoliating gloves to just get off the dead skin. And this is another, I love this. All right, let's talk hair. This is one of those products that other YouTubers rave about. They think this is the best thing going. I have heard YouTubers say that this brand is their absolute favorite brand for hair. So I thought I should try it, even though it is pretty steep. I can only find it in Sephora, or you can order directly off of their website. It is from Briogeo, and I purchased the Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Shampoo. It I gotta tell ya, I was so not impressed with this. I don't know what I expected. If I expected my hair to be all of a sudden this amazing hair, I don't know. I couldn't wait for it to be done. I felt I had to use it. Of course, it was expensive. I have had much better shampoo from L'Oreal, from, a lot of, Suave. I just was not impressed. So I feel bad. I don't understand how these other YouTubers think this is the best thing going. But for me, it just didn't work. So maybe it's just my hair. I'm not going to knock what they're telling you, but not impressed with this. All right, it wouldn't be an Empties video without my favorite hairspray, the Kenra 25. I love this. I have obviously repurchased, and it's probably half empty again, and I need to repurchase again. It does last a long time. This is pretty big, but love this. I will always stick with this. All right, well, during the summer, I was using the Jergens Natural Glow. I do like this. I've repurchased it many times. It's not gonna give you this amazing, these are dusty. They've been sitting in this box for a little bit too long. I needed to do an Empties video sooner. But okay, back to this. I think this is great. The smell does not bother me. I'm getting white again. The sun is driving me nuts, so I'm trying to fix there we go. Oh, you're shaking. Okay. I've repurchased this many times, so I do like this. I don't use it on my face. They do have a facial one. I do think this is a good natural looking moisturizing that will darken your skin as you go. Along the same lines of a good shaving kind of gel I bought, or not good, just shaving gels. I bought this from Trader Joe's. It's their moisturizing cream shave. It was okay. Again, I didn't think it was the best thing going. I will not repurchase this. It was okay. I mean, I guess if I was there and I needed it and I happened to be there, I wouldn't not buy it because it's horrible, but I wouldn't go seek this out. I could definitely do something else and be fine with it. All right, let's talk makeup remover or cleansers. Okay, you guys know my love, and I have an Empties one of this. My love of the Clinique Take the Day Off. Love it. I will get it down to almost nothing to use it. Love this, and I have for years. Well, a year. I wanted to try to find a version, something that would have the same thing, and I really do like balms. The creamy, oily balms. They take the makeup off. I use waterproof mascara, so I need something that will take that out. And this does that remarkably well without a ton of tugging. It's amazing. But it's also in the high 20s. I think it's $28. So it is expensive for something that's just washing your face. So I wanted to find a different version. So I found out this one. I got it from Amazon. It's from the company called Heimish, Heimish. It's called All Clean Balm. It looks like this. The packaging is really cute. Who cares? But, it comes with this, I'm going to get all greasy. It comes with a little scoop, and I do use this because I just think it's more hygienic. And you scoop it out, so each one has it. And this thing worked great. It worked great. And worked, I say, as in past tense. I even have 2 of these. So 2 Empties of this. I love this. There are some things I don't like about it. And here's why I'm not repurchasing it. Now, I did repurchase it, as you can see, and I have stuff. Oh, excuse me. I need to get this off of me. Okay, it's a little greasy. Okay, the reason why I'm not repurchasing it is, first of all, I think I'm allergic to it. When I started using it, and I didn't equate the two, but my eyes would be a little itchy and run all night. Now in the morning, I'd be fine, but they would run all night. I'd be wiping my eyes like I was crying all night. And I'm like, what is up with me? And I thought it was just, I don't know, something I was going through. But then I finally figured out that I think it's something in this. Now, my daughter Rachel is using this as well, and she has no problem with this. So it's just, I have sensitive eyes, I think. So I switched back to the Clinique because of that. I can't use this because of that. Now, oops, some things to keep in mind if you want to purchase this. If you get it into your eyes, it does sting a little bit, but not horribly. It's not like you're going, oh, I gotta get it out, I gotta get it out. Like, I've had that. So where this doesn't sting at all, this stings a tiny bit. So not enough to make me not use it. The other thing is it does have kind of a medicine-y kind of smell. They don't make it flowery or anything like that. It doesn't bother me, but it does take off the makeup. It does a remarkable job, just as good as the Clinique Take the Day Off. I would absolutely continue to use this one if I didn't have an allergic reaction to it. And I get this off of Amazon. I will link this below. I really think you should try it. This is the Chlorane. Oh my goodness. It's in French. Dry shampoo with oat milk. Gentle formula. I really do like this. It was just a little sample. I won't repurchase it only because it's pretty steep price. I honestly don't use a lot of dry shampoo. I wash my hair every 2 to 3 days. I don't have greasy hair, and so I don't. Sometimes dry shampoo can give you some volume, so I might use it for that. But I can also just buy a volumizing kind of spray. So this is not something I'm going to repurchase, but it did work really well. Another hair product, this is from Way. This came in my, I think, Sephora box. It is the volume spray. This you spray when your hair is still wet. I really liked this, that I already bought it. And I wasn't going to because it's kind of a steep price, but it worked really well. So I did repurchase this already. And you just spray it in all over your hair, and then you blow dry as normal, and love this. Very good. And it smells good. It's not crazy. Oh my gosh, I'm so hot all of a sudden. Hot flash. If you have not experienced hot flashes, count your blessings. 3 more things, 2 makeups and a perfume. Let's do the makeup first. I finished one of the Maybelline's Total Temptation. This is my absolute new favorite mascara. I use the waterproof one. The one that is not waterproof, if I put that on my lashes first and I have curled my lashes, which I always do, it will uncurl them. Literally, I can see them go like this and then go straight with every stroke of Your eyelashes may not do that. Mine do that. So I have to use this. I hate it. I love this, but I hate that I always have to use waterproof. I wish there was a non-waterproof version that would not do that, but I have yet to find that. Am I weird? I've heard other people say this. Does that happen to you guys? I do. Okay. We're good. Little catastrophe with my son downstairs. He dropped a whole bunch of plates. Scared the tar out of me, but on to the video. This is the Ulta Beauty's Brow Tint. This is my absolute favorite brow mascara. You call it brow mascara. It's a tiny, tiny little brush. I love how it goes on. It's not a really stiff hold for my brows. Like sometimes I have to do a little bit more, and you guys know my little trick of doing hairspray. So if you haven't seen that, look at I think it's in my brow tutorial. I believe it is. I'll link it right here. So anyways, this is one of my absolute favorite. I've already repurchased this. I tried getting the darker version. You guys can see the difference. This is just too dark. This is definitely the better one. Last product is I finished a perfume. I never finish perfumes because I'm not a huge perfume person. So, but I love the Amazing Grace, but I love that smell. I only bought a little tiny bottle. I have a hard time spending money on perfume. I just feel like they're highly overpriced. And I don't wear a lot of perfume because perfume can give me a headache. So I always feel bad for anyone who deals with that. All right, guys, I hope you liked this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, why not? You can go ahead and push that button. I think it's right there. It might be here. I think it's here. It's here. Push the subscribe button right there. It's red. Push that, and then you will be notified. As long as you push the little bell next to it, you'll be notified whenever I've uploaded a video. And I will hopefully see you in the next one. God bless.